How to check ETA of Lyft driver. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to check your driver's ETA on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now to check your Lyft driver's ETA, you need to request your ride as usual in the Lyft app. Now simply request the ride, and once matched, you will see the driver's name, photo, car model, license plate and map view of their approach. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an estimated time of arrival ETA, like arriving in 4 minutes. Watch the car move live on the map so you know exactly when they will pull up. Tap the driver info panel to call or message the driver. See the detailed route updates, check or update your pickup spot. And that's it. This is how you can check your driver's ETA in the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.